Ashika Agarwal. Let's have a look at this problem. The angles in the diagram to bottom left are as marked. Find BEA. BEA is this. So our goal is to find this. So we can see here, since this is a 90-degree angle, 180 minus 90 equals to 90. So here we have a 90-degree angle too. Since here is 50, we'll do 180 minus 50 because this is an exterior angle. So 180 minus 50 equals to 130. So now I'm going to add all of these up. So 50 plus 130 plus 90 equals to 180 plus 90, which equals to 270. So we found out that this much is 270, but four angles of a shape always add up to 360. So now we're going to do 360 minus 270, which equals to 90. So we know that this is 90. Now our goal is to find out this. This much is 180 degrees. So we're going to do 60 plus 90, which equals to 150. Now we're going to do 180 minus 150, which equals to 30. So now we know that this amount equals to 30 degrees. That's our answer. Bye!